EU foreign affairs ministers failed to agree on sanctions against Belarus after Cyprus blocked it. The foreign minister of Cyprus, Nikos Christodoulidis, said that the EU shouldn't react à la carte to violations of sovereign rights, referring to Turkey and its illegal activities in the eastern Mediterranean. Lately, the Cypriot veto against the sanctions on Belarus dominated Brussels talks. What do you reply?
At the informal Foreign Affairs Council in Berlin, after long discussions on both Belarus and Turkish illegal activities in the Cyprus exclusive economic zone, it was decided that the proposals concerning Belarus and the proposals submitted by the Republic of Cyprus in June would proceed in parallel with the aim of their immediate adoption. So, it is clear that the Republic of Cyprus supports and does not raise the issue of veto or anything else regarding Belarus. There is no way we are against the adoption of measures against the regime in Belarus, and in fact, in the discussion, Cyprus was one of the countries that supported the adoption of sectoral sanctions against all those events taking place in Belarus.
Εναντίον όλων αυτών που γίνονται στη Λευκορωσία.
However, you insist that you will give the green light for the sanctions against Belarus only in case sanctions over the Turkish illegal activities in the Cypriot exclusive economic zone move ahead.
We insist on the implementation of the political agreement reached in Berlin. We do not link sanctions, and I stress this because it is not our interpretation. Mr. Borrell himself said so in public and in the European Parliament and in public statements, but also before the permanent representatives, and called on all states to implement the agreement reached in Berlin.
Ursula von der Leyen said that member states should speed up the decision-making process and that in some foreign policy matters, decisions should be taken by a qualified majority and not by unanimity, as is the case now. Do you agree?
What will play the most important role in decision-making should be the European interest and not the national interest of some states. If we do not first determine what the EU's interest is, it will be very difficult for Cyprus and many other member states to agree to such a qualified majority decision-making on foreign policy decisions.
Να δεχθούν να προχωρήσουμε σε μια τέτοια απόφαση ενισχυμένης πλειοψηφίας για τη λήψη αποφάσεων στην εξωτερική πολιτική.